Hey guys, welcome to this iOS setting guide, and here I'll detail how to add Wi-Fi widget to iPhone control center iOS 18. So if you are running on the latest iOS 18, you discover that there is no way you can use to add the widget separate on the control center without adding the connectivity box. So here I'm going to quickly show you a workaround that allows you to add Wi-Fi widget to iPhone control center without using the connectivity box. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first you want to do is go ahead and open the shortcut application on your iPhone. Literally, it may be on this page. Now, you need to go ahead and click on all shortcuts. If the shortcut application is missing on your iPhone, go to the App Store and search for shortcut application. So you need to search for the shortcut application on your iPhone. Then once you search for the shortcut application, go ahead and download it or install it on your iPhone. Then go ahead and open it. Once you open the shortcut application, go ahead and click on the plus icon if you're on all shortcuts. Otherwise, if you're on shortcuts, locate all shortcuts and click on that. After that, locate the plus icon at the top right and click on it. Now, on search action, you want to search for Wi-Fi. So once you search for Wi-Fi, you're going to see set Wi-Fi. Click on it. Then this is going to automatically turn on the Wi-Fi after the command, but you want to be able to turn on and turn off the Wi-Fi. Then come here and click on turn, then set this to toggle. So this will allow you to switch on and switch off the Wi-Fi when the need arise. Now click on the drop menu, tap rename, and then rename your Wi-Fi. So here I'm just going to set this to Wi-Fi, not set Wi-Fi. Then once you're done, this is how it's going to look. Now to customize the Wi-Fi and make it look exactly like the iOS 18 Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi icon on your iPhone, click on the drop menu and click on choose icon. Once you selected icon, you want to select the Wi-Fi icon, and you can find this under connectivity. So scroll down until you get to connectivity, and under connectivity, locate the Wi-Fi icon and then click on it. So connectivity here. Then click on the Wi-Fi icon, and once you selected the Wi-Fi icon, if you scroll back up, you're gonna see the Wi-Fi icon change to this. Now you can customize the color, the icon color or background. You can just choose whatever you like. So in this case, select this color that looks like the control center on your iPhone. So it looks like the color of the control center. Then go ahead and click on the done button at the top right. Once you hit the done button, go ahead and click on the done button again to save changes. And then there you go. You've successfully created the Wi-Fi. If you click on the Wi-Fi, this is going to turn on the Wi-Fi on your iPhone. And if you click on it again, it's going to turn off the Wi-Fi on your iPhone. However, to add the Wi-Fi widget to control center on your iPhone iOS 18, you just need to do is scroll down to control center. Press and hold the control center page to make it editable so that you can add more controls. Then click on add a control. Now I want to scroll down until you get to shortcut. So just keep scrolling until you get to shortcut. And once you see shortcut, go ahead and click on shortcut under shortcuts. Then once you select that, you'll be prompted to select your shortcut control title. Then go ahead and click on choose. Here you're gonna have the Wi-Fi menu here. Then select the Wi-Fi widget you want to add to control center on your iPhone iOS 18 like this. Then click outside. Then you're gonna see Wi-Fi. Now you can make it smaller or bigger. Then click outside. Now when next you click on the Wi-Fi icon, this is going to turn on your iPhone Wi-Fi and it's going to turn off your iPhone Wi-Fi. Now if the iPhone Wi-Fi icon is not changing or it remains as it were, you can just come here again, click on the menu option, then locate whether you change the Wi-Fi icon. And once it's changed, click on the done button. And now once you're done, what you just need to do is edit the Wi-Fi page. Just drag the Wi-Fi to wherever you can easily access it. That is it. Then click outside. And when next you want to use your Wi-Fi on your iPhone, scroll down, locate the Wi-Fi icon, click on it to turn it on, and then click on it to turn it off. So that is basically how to add Wi-Fi widget to iPhone control center on iOS 18. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.